Welcome guys. In this video I'll show you guys, is Seedance really worth it or is it just a hype? And should you really buy into it? That'll be your choice, I guess. But so here's his Higgsfield. I don't have a paid account or anything. I am just a free account here, and I saw Seedance 2.0. It says world's best video model available. So I had a chance. I was like, you know what? Let's look at. Oh well, I don't know why it keeps doing that. Um, what is the fuss about? And are these models that are being generated or these videos, sorry, are they even any good? And do they follow the prompt that the user actually provided? So some of the videos were really decent. Like you can go on their website, like it's free. You can go there and then watch them yourself. You be the judge. For example, this one, I remember this one. This guy, what is going on? So this prompt, if you look at the prompt that is mentioned here, so I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. So basically two people are fighting, and so look at this line right here and watch what the video actually does. Once when one of them basically leaps off the wall and delivers a flying kick. They engage in hand-to-hand combat and all this stuff. In the background, handheld camera with motion blur, whatever, right? So, and if you play the video, okay, first of all, he or this person did not jump off a wall. If you remember the prompt, it says one of them is going to leap off the wall. So it is not happening. That didn't happen. Then of course, yeah, they're fighting and whatnot. That's wonderful. And that's it. That's the whole clip, right? So spherical object, I don't know if you can see any, but I definitely did not see any. That thing in the back, I guess that could be the spherical object, but anyways, this is one of them. So maybe that was the spherical object in the back. I like here, right here. So now I don't know. But that was one of them, and I was like, you know what, it doesn't work, or I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe you guys are getting the same thing, but sorry about that. Definitely not internet related. But so this clip was really nice. Actually, this one was actually nice. It actually did follow. How it did follow a prompt. So man tailored navy blue suit, and then another man catching behind him, and they're basically engaging in hand-to-hand combat. So this definitely followed the prompt. I don't know why. It's a navy blue guy fighting. And it's also adding the audio and everything. I don't think this was mentioned to do this, but it's still put in there. So that was decent. But there was one more video that I want to show you guys, is this one, I think. Yes. So this is the one. So read the description here that it says white semi truck hauling a large cargo. Oh, that's fine. Kicking up dust. Okay, fine. The camera tracks it from a low front angle and veers and collides with another vehicle. So this is important. Read this line. It's sending debris and everything, bright daylight. So it's supposed to collide with another vehicle basically, and this is what the outcome was. So I'm going to shut up and you guys watch this and you tell me how closely it followed the prompt. So where, I don't understand, why did he transform into, or why did the truck, not he, transform into a crab? I don't understand. So I feel like for some reason this Seedance or whatever, it's grabbing stuff from probably the movies or whatever, different stuff that's already out there, and then just trying to best replicate it in the best capacity it can. But definitely the graphic. Also, this one too. I watched this one as well, and this is an interesting one. It it's again a fighting scene, but definitely not what they were looking for. So it says a woman in a business attire strides through the deserted, modern open plan office, which she is doing. She trips and falls to the floor. So watch this. She definitely not trip, and I have no idea where this guy comes from. Man in gray suit, what is rushes over and pins her down. Cold, desaturated lighting from floor to ceiling windows. Overcast sky, visible thriller with tension surveillance style angle. Like, she did not even drop her phone. I don't think there was no phone drop. There was a gun. Why is there? Well, actually, that's a stapler. Did she just use? Wait, hold on. Did she just use a stapler on this guy? I didn't even realize that. Is she trying to staple this guy to the floor or something? Maybe the suit is torn. She's trying to probably fix that. Watch this. Come on. But really? Okay. There was nothing like that mentioned in the prompt. Not even close. She did not try. And look, he drops the stapler. He drops the stapler instead of a gun. Anyways, some of them are actually funny. So if you have some time, go do watch them. But yeah, it's just random. This one was actually, I think this is the one with the dog. One of them had a dog as a skateboard. That was pretty decent. It followed the prompt. I don't think I can find it right now, but yeah, they're all just random. They're not, so far I've seen is that it's not really following what the prompts are. So I guess you got to get really good at prompting. Otherwise you end up wasting your credits. So if you're doing your own videos and stuff, and whatever you have done so far, if you want to share your experience, please do comment, because I'm really interested in getting a subscription for Higgsfield. Try some of this AI video stuff and whatnot. So I think this was this guy right here. Let me see if I can play it. The bag jeans. No, there was another one where the person is riding a skateboard that looks like basically a dog, a chihuahua or something. But yeah, anyways, please do comment below if you are using Seedance and if you like it, and if you're not using Seedance, what other models actually work better for creating videos, because I want to, from another channel that I have, want to do some videos for that. So using AI, if you could post in the comments below, that'd be wonderful. Anyways, just wanted to make a quick short video in terms of what this fuss is all about with Seedance. They're saying it's the best of the best, but I don't know. Definitely you got to get better at prompting, because videos like this, and there was another one like this one, is definitely not what did. It doesn't work. Most of the time you're just wasting your credits, it seems. So you better get good at prompting. Anyways, guys, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. And do hit the like button. It is much appreciated, guys. Take care.